And we were hoping that together with PUK we can form the government much sooner. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. At the beginning, things were going very smoothly. And we had a very capable team negotiating the agenda of the government, which was more important to, I think, than the positions of the government. Basically, what all sides wanted to have it as an agenda, a joint agenda for the government. And that went well. When it came to the positions of the government, that's when PUK, I think, were insisting on some very unreasonable positions. The KDP was very flexible and very generous to even give more positions to the PUK than they deserve. They insisted on more. And we had instructions from the leadership that we can be even more flexible, which we were. We were given positions that I think, they could never have based on the number of seats that they won in the election. And again, they didn't want to form the government. I think it was, although they denied that there was a policy, but it was clear that they didn't want to form the government until the Iraqi elections are held. Perhaps they had a miscalculation that KDP would do poorly in the Iraqi election. Or perhaps they thought maybe they would lose leverage of negotiating positions in Baghdad if they formed the government in Kurdistan. Whatever the reason is, I think they have to clarify. But we don't have the government until now. And of course, I must make this point that before these elections, we made it very clear that we are generous because we want to have a united Kurdish position before the Iraqi elections. That would give us more strength to negotiate the government in Baghdad. But if no government is formed before the elections, then the conditions are going to change. Today and the post-Iraqi elections, conditions have changed. So we are going to negotiate the formation of the government based on the new conditions.